Welcome in today's video. Dear viewer, we are going to discuss about the two important functions, constant function and identity function. A constant function f from R to R defined as f of x is equal to c for all x belongs to real numbers, where c is a constant. Its domain is real number set and range is singleton set. The graph of a constant function is a straight line parallel to x-axis as shown in the figure. It is above or below the x-axis according as c is positive or negative. If c is equal to 0, then the straight line coincides with x-axis. For example, f of x is equal to 3, f of x is equal to 4, f of x is equal to 100. These are all constant functions. Dear viewer, let's come to the identity function. The function f from R to R defined as f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to real numbers is called identity function. Domain and range of identity function are real. The input value and the output value are always same in identity function. The graph of the identity function is a straight line passing through the origin and inclined at an angle of 45 with the x-axis. For example, f of x is equal to x, f of 2 is equal to 2, f of 10 is equal to 10. These are all identity functions. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.